Hello and welcome to Handy Mama. Today we are looking at that incredibly stubborn soap scum or rust or mold. I'm not sure exactly what that is. If you have any idea, throw out your wisdom in the comments below. I'm always looking to learn. All I know is that it's quite gross. I have tried several items to clean this, typically starting with the least harsh. In this scenario, that would be a round of my homemade vinegar spray, and then there was a baking soda scrub. Then my father-in-law brought something over called the pink stuff, and all to no avail. I was talking to my husband and he suggested CLR. He usually has some pretty good suggestions and he did not lead me astray here. I was quite skeptical. All I did was follow the instructions, spray, and as you can see, I went to town. I sprayed that tub so much. I coated the tub pretty heavily. After you spray it, you leave it for 10 minutes and then you wipe it. The amount of elbow grease needed was light to medium, much less than I had anticipated. This is after 10 minutes of letting it sit. I used a glove because overexposure to chemicals is a slight anxiety of mine. I do better with dirt and germs than chemicals. I then used a Mr. Clean sponge because I figured it would help the process go quicker. It did seem to go smooth and swift. I'm not sure how much Mr. Clean had to do with it, as I have used those sponges on the tub before. But check out that layer of grime. Are you grossed out? I know I'm so grossed out. But then I also feel like a hint of really good. It's so good how much is coming off. And all I'm doing is give it a wipe. It seems to be coming up fairly easily. You will have to scrub, I'm pretty sure, with anything you were to ever use, but it did seem that a lot came off with just that first wipe. And check out the end result and the shine on that bathtub. With the 10-minute wait time, this took me about 20 minutes to clean. Thank you for watching. I hope all your cleaning goes smoothly. It would mean a great deal if you used any of the Amazon links below. Your one click would bless our family a lot.